On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're going to do some light reading, picking up from where we left off yesterday inside of our Moccasin module. So in this next section, we will learn how to test our deploy scripts to ensure that our contracts are deployed correctly. We are doing this because we are not only wanting to deploy our contracts, but we also want to make sure that they are deployed correctly by testing our deploy scripts. So instead of doing from SRC import favorites, what we can do instead is something like this. We'll say from scripts.deploy, import deploy favorites. Then we want to make sure that we let this note to ourselves, letting us know that we change deploy to deploy favorites inside our deploy.py file for this example. And I'll show you why as soon as we do some more light reading. So this way we are testing our deploy script as well. This is what our updated deploy.py file would look like. We have from src import favorites. And you can see here our defined deploy favorites that we modified. It was defined deploy function at first, but we added this favorite here so we don't have any conflicts. When we import the deploy favorites over into our new file, it will be a conflict when we try to use deploy favorites and deploy because it'll be two different files. So we have to make sure that both files match. That's why we would change this to deploy favorites instead of just deploy function. So basically everything is the same. The first thing we did was modify this deploy favorites to make sure that it matches up with our import so that we connect both of these files together when we import it into our new file. Now the first thing we did was modify the deploy script to have a function called deploy favorites, like I just explained to you, and I explained to you why we actually had to do that. But with that being said, we're gonna leave it there for now, and tomorrow we will pick up from where we left off, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.